simple and yet tricky absolute value question on the SAT Math. My name is Katja Sieversen. I'm the inventor of the Sieversen method, a scientifically proven way to learn anything fast. Let's talk about this tricky little question. Okay, pause the video, try to answer it. What's going on? I'm trying to move my face. Try to answer it. If you said A, you're absolutely right. And if you're confused, like how are you possibly thinking that it's A and not B and not C and not D, I want you to know that every time you see a simple question, question number 1, and it seems confusing, look for the pattern. It's a 3-to-1 split. 3 of these answer choices have a lot in common, and 1 is an outlier. All of them have +1, and 1 has a -1. That's the one you're going to go for. And here's the rationale behind it. Because they want this expression to equal to 1. What do we know about absolute value? If you haven't seen any of the videos so far, what do you know about absolute value? Absolute value is always positive. You're absolutely right. Absolute value is always positive. So how can we say absolute positive value, even if it's like 0.00001 plus 1, could it ever equal to 0? Never. So we can easily eliminate these because they're having a positive value +1. And A is the only one that could be 0 because if x minus 1, if absolute value of x minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 could be equal to 0. So that's it. And just be on the lookout for that 3-to-1 split. It shows up in grammar, it shows up in math, it shows up in the reading section sometimes, where 3 of the answer choices have a lot in common and 1 is an outlier. So that's it. See you in the next video, chickens.